Okay, so putting values, uh, 0.8 power 4 multiply with 300 equal to 122.8. So 122.8. Now h into g of 4. This is 4. So we have g of 4. This one is not g of x. Actually g of 4. So first of all, write down h function. H function is 70 plus 0.2x. Then g of 4 value, you can see g of 4 value is 122.8. So 70 plus 0.2 multiply with 122.8. So you can multiply these, point 2 point 2 multiply with 122.8, correct? Also plus 70, so equal to 94.56. 94.56. Clear? Next question. Yes, yes, of course. This is a composition function. Composition example. Composition are there. Function worksheet 3 and 4. Okay, Abid. Uh, 3 and 4. I think. Oh, so it means should I repeat this function? Uh, okay. Listen, Bilal. Bilal, h of x function is given. This is h of x. H of x function given equal to 70 plus 0.2x. G of x function is given 300 multiply 0.8 power t. We need to find h and composition with g of 4. This means that first put the value of 4. Okay, t is equal to 4 and h function. So g of 4, 300 0.8 power is 4. T replace with 4. So 0.8 power 4, then multiply with 300 equal to 122.8. Then here you can see h and g of 4. So inside h we put g of 4 value, uh, g of 4. So replace x with what? Just replace with g of 4 value, and g of 4 we know that this is 122. So the result is 94.6, 94.5. Clear? Okay. Uh, Let me check question number 3 and 4. In worksheet, function worksheet. Let me share function worksheet. Which one is function worksheet? I think Naseem Nazari question was domain and domain and range. I think inverse function. Uh, it was function worksheet. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, Abid. This question, question number 4. Oh, so this one is easy. Great, Abid. Okay, okay, okay. So, uh, question is given. Question is okay. Wait, wait, wait. Red color, dangerous question. Okay. If of x is equal to 3x plus 5, we need to find what? We need to find f of x plus h minus f of x and divided by h. So simple, simple. This function is f of x. Now second function, you need to replace x with x plus h. So we can write this given function f of x plus h. You need to replace x with x plus h. So we have 3x. So replace x with x plus h and plus 5. This means that 3x plus 3h plus 5. Correct? So now just putting values. What is f of x plus h? F of x plus h is 3x plus 3h plus 5 minus f of x. What is f of x? This function 3x plus 5 divided by what? Divided by h video. Okay, 3x and minus 3x. Cancel. Okay, 1 minute. This is also minus because outside minus multiply with this one is become minus. So minus 5 cancel with plus 5. What we have? We have 3h divided by only 1h. So h cancel with h. Result is what? Result is 3. Clear, Abid? Okay. Enough. Just one question. Yeah, there was another one. Yeah, this is so. This one is easy. These are easy. Thank you. Okay. So Naseem Nazari. Now it's your turn. Tell me what was your question? Oh, Diva, wait, please. Okay, your main question. Oh, okay, great. So, question is domain, domain. Domain, we need some value for function. For example, any function is given, we need plus value or minus value or zero value. Domain is all those values, yeah, all valid values, all acceptable values for a function. Like, for example, we have plus x-axis and minus x-axis, correct? Same plus y-axis and minus y-axis. If we give, for example, x is equal to any value like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, let's suppose, 10. So x is domain, y is called range. X is equal to 2, this position, y is 10, let's suppose this position. So both are present here. You can see both are present on what? On xy plane. Rectangular plane or rectangular coordinate system or xy plane. If you give, let's suppose, x is equal to 4 and y is, let's suppose, 20. So x is 4 here, y is 20 here. So if you join these points, so both points are here. Okay. Same if you give minus 5 value, there is will be one result like 15 value or any other value. So all points are here. But sometime if you give x is equal to 0, yeah, any value like 2 value, and you receive y an undefined quantity. Undefined, we don't know. That point lie on positive x-axis, negative x-axis, we don't know. Like, we have a question like y is equal to what? 1 over x. So when you give x is equal to 0, we know one point x is 0. What will be the value of y? From this equation, 1 over 0, it means 1 over 0, and 1 over 0 equal to what? Infinity. So we don't know about y value. Where is that point lie? Y point, range point. So this is not possible. We don't know the value of y. We don't know actually this point. We don't know infinity. All other values are possible, but infinity is not possible. So therefore, when you are given this function like 2x square plus 1. So for this function, you can give any type of value. You can give plus value, you can give negative value. Any type of value you will give. So your domain is from minus infinity to plus infinity, because you can give any value. For this function, you cannot give zero value. All values are possible, but zero is not possible. Zero is not possible because when you give zero, this will give you infinity. So for this function, you can write domain function is what? You can say from minus infinity up to what? You can say minus 1. because 0 is not possible. Or you can say from 1 to plus infinity. That one is the domain point. From minus infinity to minus 1 and from plus 1 to plus infinity. You can say that x such that x not equal to 0. Domain function is this one. All values are possible, but only one value is not possible. That value is 0. For this function, domain is from minus infinity to plus infinity. It means you can give any value. But when there is a square root function, wait, I think. Okay. For example, function is given f of x is equal to under the root x plus 1. So now root square root. Actually, today, if you remember, we discussed that negative values, yeah, negative root is not possible. Then we take imaginary value, iota square, and iota is an imaginary number. So, what will be the domain function? Domain function is this x plus 1 must be greater than 0. Yeah, greater than or equal to 0. Negative is not possible. Negative values are not possible. You cannot give negative value. So, x plus 1, you need to write x plus 1. This must be greater than or equal to 0. When root is in numerator, like x plus 1 root divided by 1. So you need to write x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 0 is also possible. If you give 0 here, so 0 root is equal to 0. 0 is also a point. We know on xy plane, 0 is possible. So transfer 1 to other side. So x is greater than minus 1. So all values are possible, those values which are greater than or equal to minus 1. So it means from minus infinity to minus 1, these are possible. These values are possible. Sorry, greater than 1, no. Greater than 1, minus 1 to plus infinity. These values are possible. You can give any value. Minus 2 value is not possible. How minus 2 value is not possible? Because if you give 2 value minus 2, so then root is minus, like f of x, it means f of minus 2. So okay, you have x plus 1. So if you give x is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 plus 1, so minus 2 plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1, which is not possible. uh, okay. Naseem of Tigray. uh, any other question? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. 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 If you have any other questions, so then I will start another session. Or if you don't have topic for tomorrow, topic for tomorrow, you know, I think these are. Jamshir, can you tell me? No, actually, there is no shifting graph today. Okay, tonight I'm not going to. Uh, Okay, now discuss with me about your tomorrow quiz topics. There is no class new lesson tonight, but tell me about the tomorrow. What are the topics